to run some errands, or maybe you're just feeling a little low and you think, you know what, let me just put on some makeup. Let's see how long it takes. Let's see if I can really put together a 5-minute makeup look. Can us busy moms really put ourselves together? Can us busy moms really complete a 5-minute makeup look? Let's see. I got my timer here and see now. Got my stopwatch here on my phone. I'm gonna use my stopwatch. Let's see how long it really takes to do makeup. I'm gonna aim for 5 minutes. Oh my God. I don't even have the makeup out. I don't even know what's going on right now. I'm gonna aim for 5 minutes. Let's see if I can get 5 minutes. All right. Ready, set, go. done. 20 minutes. 20 minutes and 46 seconds. 20 minutes and 46 seconds. So, and I haven't even put on any lashes. So, 5-minute makeup is an epic fail for me, guys. 5 minutes? No, I don't think I'll ever be able to do that. I didn't put on lip gloss. Oh, see, so it's not even, look, it's a fail. It's a fail. I wouldn't be able to do it, guys. I'm sorry. But if you can do it, good for you. Maybe I don't need to, 5-minute makeup, I don't need to do the whole, maybe I just need to do foundation, eyeliner, mascara. No, it wouldn't work for me, guys. I tried, but it didn't work. Okay, so, but thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Meet me in the comments if you can do a 5-minute makeup look. Just say me, comment me, and then you're gonna have to share the deets. Okay? So until next time, guys, take care and God bless. Bye.